The foggy weather and cloudy conditions helping to break the unbearable heat in Cape Town, which I'm thankful for. But I know it's still extremely hot over the rest of South Africa, especially during heatwave conditions. So let's have a look at your Wednesday forecast. Into Wednesday, a cold air mass behind a cold front will finally push in much cooler conditions, mainly for the southwestern areas of South Africa. Unfortunately, yet again becoming sizzling hot during heatwave conditions over the interior of the country. That onshore flow will also push in lots of cloud and light rain for the southern coastline, where you'll have poor performance on your solar panels. But peak performance here in the west and then later becoming average over the central and eastern areas. That's because a few isolated storms are expected to later move over northwestern Free State and becoming scattered in parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Isolated storms also expected over the northeastern areas of South Africa and light rain in the forecast along the southern coastline. We can see on our wind map that coolish onshore flow expected to blow moderate to fresh at times along the southwestern coast. Winds yet again picking up over the western interior. That's why we still have a high fire danger in place, and then a strong southerly wind expected to blow over the southern coast of our neighbouring country, Namibia. It's a cloudy to mostly cloudy day for the Western Cape and much cooler compared to earlier this week. Temperatures were soaring close to 40 degrees over the interior, and it's finally going to feel a little bit more comfortable with mid-20s. This onshore flow will push in lots of cloud and light rain for the Overberg, the southern coastline, as well as the adjacent interior, with maximum temperatures in the lower to mid-20s. We're also expecting that southwesterly winds pick up between Plettenberg Bay and spreading along the coast of the Eastern Cape, where it's also going to be a much cooler with cloudy to partly cloudy skies. Light rain possible at times with 26 degrees in East London, becoming hot over the interior with isolated storms expected over the northeastern areas. It's a warm to very warm day for KwaZulu-Natal and a northeasterly wind blowing along the coast with 29 degrees in Durban, later becoming stormy over the northern areas and scattered thunderstorms moving very close to Pietermaritzburg. Heating up quickly in Mpumalanga on Wednesday, maximum temperatures around 30 degrees, but we still have a 30% chance of a few thunderstorms developing here and there due to sufficient moisture. The same conditions expected in Limpopo, quickly heating up at temperatures above 30 with a few patchy storms expected from the afternoon. Still heatwave conditions baking northwest on Wednesday and will persist up until at least Saturday. Temperatures are soaring close to 40 degrees over the western areas. A few isolated storms might bring some relief to the heat, but those storms can also quickly blow away. In the northern Cape, we're expecting a southerly wind to pick up along the coast. It's a mainly sunny day and windy over the interior. The Weather Service warning against runaway fires and heatwave conditions baking the northeastern areas with temperatures close to 40 degrees. Heatwave conditions will also continue to make the Free State sweat with 37 degrees in Bloemfontein, 38 in Forestmith. Remember to stay hydrated, drink enough fluids with isolated storms expected from the afternoon. Temperatures around 30 degrees in Gauteng on Wednesday, soaring to a very hot 34 in Pretoria. Due to the heat, a few thunderstorms could bubble up, but only a slight chance of those storms actually producing any rain. Overnight into Thursday, we're expecting the cooler weather to spread into parts of the Eastern Cape and then later thunderstorms reaching KwaZulu-Natal, with scattered storms expected to move over the northeastern areas of the country. Later, especially stormy in Gauteng, moving into Limpopo and Mpumalanga. And then into Friday, it's warmer in the west with 27 degrees in Cape Town. Storms moving a little bit more westwards, finally now moving over parts of the northern Cape and especially over areas like northwest and the Free State that really need the rain. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.
The Stage Zero Volta 40, a small portable power station with big potential. Keep your devices connected for 4 hours during outages. Simple, effective, essential. Stay connected.